Alright, so I need to get a new blender. So I'm going to go onto Amazon and see what they have here. So let's go ahead and sort this by 4 stars and up and see what we get. Alright, got Ninja, Black & Decker, Magic Bullet, Hamilton Beach. This one has 4.5 stars and over 45,000 ratings. Okay, that sounds promising. Let's click on that one. All right, so let's copy the URL and see what we get on Fakespot. Let's paste it in here. Ooh, it's got an F rating. Ouch. All right, well, I guess I won't be buying this one.
With the crazy holiday shopping season here now, I figured it'd be a good time to talk about a tool I use almost daily to help inform my online shopping decisions. The tool I'm referring to is called Fakespot, which I just showed a quick peek of, and it analyzes reviews to help you determine their authenticity. I'll be giving a quick overview of how Fakespot works, and then I'll do a quick demo of how you can use it to inform your online shopping decisions. So let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Benny and I create videos based on my life experiences that focus on health, fitness, and technology. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and of course, subscribe for future content.
Alright, so if you're not familiar with Fakespot, it's an AI-powered tool that can detect fake reviews and scams when you're shopping on the most popular websites online like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, etc. And I actually just noticed that it's made by Mozilla. For those of you who use Firefox, Mozilla is the company behind it. Pretty much everyone who shops online bases their purchase decisions on how good the product reviews are. Well, unfortunately, reviews aren't always that reliable since they can easily be faked with technology. And that's where Fakespot comes in. Fakespot quickly analyzes the reviews for a product and gives it an overall A through F letter grade based on the authenticity of those reviews. It also provides a breakdown of the number of reliable reviews versus potentially suspicious ones, along with an adjusted rating, taking those suspicions into account. Pretty cool, right? There's a few different ways you can use Fakespot, including pasting product URLs into their website, using their browser plugin, as well as their mobile apps, and in this video I'll be demoing all of these. Alright, so let's start with how to check a rating by copying a product's URL and pasting it into the analyzer on the Fakespot website. So you can see I have Amazon open, so let's do a search for something. Let's go ahead and search for a vitamin D supplement, which I purchase on a regular basis from Amazon. So let's do vitamin D and see what we get. Alright, let's see here. So Nature Made is a company I've heard of, and this one looks pretty promising. It has 4.5 stars and over 21,000 ratings. So let's go ahead and try this one out. Alright, so let's go ahead and go up here, and I'm just going to copy the URL, and then I'm going to go back to the Fakespot website, and then I'm going to go up here to the menu and click on the Fakespot Analyzer link. And then I'm going to paste the URL in here and click on Analyze and see what we get. Alright, so you can see here on the right hand side the result that Fakespot generated, which is based on an A through F letter grade, and in this case it's an F, which obviously isn't good. This is despite all the 4-star reviews on Amazon, so this is a great example of how unreliable the reviews on Amazon can really be. The other cool thing is Fakespot also gives you a letter grade for the company itself. So you can see here they gave this company a D rating based on 325 total products that they sell on Amazon. If we go down this page a little, there's a pros and cons section which just highlights some of the reviews customers have made about the product, and I don't find this section particularly helpful, but maybe it's helpful for some. Scrolling down a little bit more, there's also a highlight section, and again, I don't find this section to be much of use, but it's there. Then there's this overview section, which I do find a little more helpful, where it gives you some details about things that Fakespot detected based on its analysis, like how many times Amazon has altered, modified, or removed reviews from this listing. And based on reviewer patterns, there is a likely high deception involved, and only 17.8% of the reviews are reliable, which is pretty low. Alright, as I mentioned before, there's also a browser plugin you can install which is really helpful, so I'm going to go over that now. If you're on the Fakespot homepage, you can see there's a button you can just click here that will allow you to install the plugin. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do that now. So I'm back on Amazon, and you can see that I have the Fakespot plugin installed on my browser, indicated by the little blue checkmark icon here in the top bar. You can see it's already given everything a rating on the Amazon homepage, which is helpful, but let's do another search to see how exactly the plugin works. Let's do a search for blenders because I'm looking at getting a new one anyways. So let's do a search for blenders and see what we get. Alright, so you can see this top section here where the Fakespot plugin gives you some options right in Amazon, which is cool. So there's a drop down with some sorting options, so you can sort from lowest to highest, highest to lowest, which is usually what I use, and then no sorting. Then you also have the ability to hide all F-graded products, hide ads, which is nice, and finally all the way on the right, you can also check to remember whatever sorting option you choose, which I usually leave checked. So you can see as I scroll down through the results, there's a letter grade associated with all the products, which is really helpful. Let's go ahead and look at another site to see how it works. Keep in mind you don't have all these options on every website. So for instance, if we do a search for blenders on the Best Buy website, you can see we don't have all the sorting options like we did on the Amazon site. All of the products do still have a letter grade though, which is nice. I think using the Fakespot plugin is the best way to use Fakespot because you can instantly see what each product is rated without having to first copy the URL and then going to the Fakespot website to paste it in and wait for the grade. I definitely recommend installing the plugin if you regularly shop online using a desktop or laptop computer. It's just really nice to have the sorting options, and you can quickly weed out the products with the lowest ratings. Alright, now let's see how Fakespot works on mobile devices. I'm going to be using my iPad first to show you what it looks like. So first you'll need to install the Fakespot app, and they just released a new Fakespot Pro browser app which acts as both an analyzer and has a built-in browser, which is also pretty useful. The app I was using before is just this Fakespot Lite app, which I assume will eventually just be replaced with this new Pro app. For this demo, I'll be showing you both the new browser feature and the analyzing functionality. So let's start with the analyzing functionality. So I'm going to use the Amazon app on my iPad, and let's go ahead and do a search for another supplement. Let's try a search for omega-3, which is an important supplement, and see what we get here. So this Nordic Naturals down here has a ton of good reviews, so let's check it out. So you can see here this has 4.7 stars and over 47,000 ratings, so that's pretty good. So to check the Fakespot rating of this product, what you'll do is click this share button up here, and if you've installed the Fakespot app, you'll see this Analyze with Fakespot option listed here. If it's not listed, you might need to edit your actions, which you can do down here, and enable Fakespot. Once you click on the Analyze with Fakespot option, it will show you a little pop-up that's essentially a mobile-friendly version of the website. So you can see here this omega-3 supplement got a D rating, which really isn't that great, despite all the positive reviews on Amazon. Alright, so now let's try out this new browser feature using the actual Fakespot Pro app. I've played around with it a little already and it's pretty cool. So let's do the same search for omega-3 and see what we get. So when you click on a product, you can see it actually gives you the rating right away, and on the product page it will display it down at the bottom. So you can see here for this Nordic Naturals omega-3 supplement, it got a rating of D, which really isn't that good. And this is nice because it saves you a step of having to click the share button first and then waiting for the rating to appear. The only negative about this browser feature that I've discovered so far is it only works in portrait mode, so hopefully in the future they can get it to work in landscape mode too. So lastly, I want to show you how to use the Fakespot Pro app on your iPhone, which works exactly like it does on the iPad. So if I do the same search for omega-3 on my iPhone and click on one of these results, you'll see that you get the letter grade right away. So in this case, the Nordic Naturals Ultimate Omega-3 Supplement got a rating of F, which is not good. So pretty straightforward process no matter what device you're using.
So as you can see, Fakespot is definitely a game changer when it comes to online shopping. It offers a simple and efficient way to weed out fake reviews and gives you the tools you need to make better purchasing decisions. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Late.